Hello guys, in this video we are going to see the full process of installing davinci resovle 19. If you guys have downloaded the software, then it is fine. If you have not, then watch this video completely. In the last of the video I will show you a video I will give you. By clicking on it you can see it. You will learn to download the davinci resovle software for free. I have also downloaded the software. Now let's install it. The process which I will tell you in this video works in all laptops and computer systems. The same method will work in any operating system from Windows 7 to 11. So now we come to our folder where we have kept the zip file of davinci resovle software, and if you have downloaded it, then you will get it in the download. I had kept it in a separate file, so this is my zip file of the Resolve, which is also available in a zip file when downloaded from the official website. And first of all we have to unzip the zip file, and only after that we can use this. You will be able to install the software in your system. So to unzip it we will use our mouse. We will bring our cursor on the zip file of the software, and from here we will click the right mouse button. As soon as we click the right mouse button, a lot of options like this will be shown in front of us, and you can see here at number 3 in my computer. Here you can see the option of extract all. Using this option you will have to unzip the software, but if this option is not showing in your computer or laptop, then first download and install the WinRAR software in that system. After that this option will be shown, and then we have to click on this extract all option. Then some such option will come in front of us. Here first of all we will click on browse. As soon as we click on browse, here we will see the file location of our computer on the side. If we get it, we will select the desktop option from here. So for that we have to click on this desktop option, and now here we will see select folder below. So simply we will click on select folder. As soon as we click on select folder, the text of the file will appear in front of us. The option will be shown. Now we will click on simply extract, and this file will start extracting. It will start happening. We have to wait till the file is extracted. So we selected the desktop option. So we will now see it set up on the desktop. As soon as the file extracting is completed, we have to cut all these pages and come to our desktop. After coming to the desktop, we will see the setup of our software here, which you can see here. This is the setup of our software. Now we will install our davinci resovle software from this. So to install the software, simply move your mouse cursor. Here you have to bring it to the setup and click the right button of the mouse. Then a lot of options will be shown in front of us like this, and here we will see an option run as administrator. So to install it, simply click on run as administrator. We will do it, and now the extraction of the software installation will start here. So we have to wait here as well, and after this a pop-up for installing will come in front of us. Simply click on install and the installation will start like this. Till the installation is complete you have to wait here as well, and whatever option comes next, you will have to wait for it. Now select it carefully, and after this we will get the option of next. Simply click on next. Then here we will see its license and agreement, and below here we will see a tick box of I accept the terms. We simply have to click on this tick box and click next, and then we will see the install option here. So simply click on install. Now our software will finally start installing, and here also you have to wait as long as this process runs. After some time we will also get to see the option of finish here. Simply we will click on finish, and even after that we will wait here for some time till this process runs, and in the last we will see the option of installing complete here. If we get it, we will simply click on OK, and finally now our software has been installed. After the software is installed in our system, we have to delete this setup because now we have no use for it. Our software has been installed. That is here. If you want to learn how to download davinci resovle, then watch this right video, click on this, and we will meet you in the next video. I hope you liked this video.